stock pipe. We're going to change the pipe to a GRmoto today. But let's do a little before and after sound. Yeah. Chicago. Alright. Even.
Place order is also the sound deadening.
Alright.
This
is what we're going to put.
4 weeks or something.
We'll do an after shot after it's done. So we fitted it on. It's nice. There's a up pipe here to the small little. Look at that. As compared to this big thing over there, that's about 6 kilos. Roughly 6.5 kilos. This is about 2.5. Massive weight savings. It's even actually the size of that little bag. You can see the wheel a lot more, which is nicer. I'm gonna let this. There's a little glue sort of thing that you have to put inside, so that has to set for an hour. So we're going to wait for a little bit, and I'll start it up soon. Doesn't look too bad. Nice. And 1, 2, 3.
Maybe up again also. That's your exhaust sound now.
This is a wee.
That's with the baffle, dude.
So I've taken the baffle out, but there was a whistle sound, so I put a bolt and a nut through it, and that has sorted it out. My brother actually helped me out with that, so we're going to start it up now. And let's see if you guys can tell.
Let's give it some. I'm standing here. How does it sound? Very cool.
So over here, that hole was making the whistle sound. I put a bolt and a nut through it. It sorted the issue out. Started.
Yeah.